All right, this is Mr. Dovasal, and I'm here at Ugwogo in Enugu East, Enugu State. So this farm facility, the owner is relocating. So this area is the workers area, can also serve as this store. This is the main pig farm. I will still take you inside. That's an area where you can keep the pig poop dry. This overhead tank, water won't be an issue. Okay. So I'll show you the inside. The owner is relocating and we want to sell. Okay. Inside view. How many rooms in total have you counted? 40 rooms. Okay. Okay, that means one can raise 200 pigs comfortably here. Okay, this is the inside view of the farm. This is the inside view. Okay, asking price 10 million, and you can contact the number or you can contact me on 0816-273-7855, which I also put in the description. Okay, that's the backyard. I say two plots, I be 2.5 plots. Okay, but over 2 plots. The building is sitting on over 2 plots of land, well fenced all round. Okay.